we have been and still are actually anticipating 524.11 as our 5 to 8 month objective. We are a month into it on Thursday. We've been testing this channel top at 464.18. That's the weekly channel top. The daily channel top we tested the day before. This is the area that kind of makes this a 524.11 a 5 to 8 month objective rather than just sort of a 2 to 3 month objective, because in this 464.18 area preceded by today 460.70, we can top out here through October and fall back to new channel support that is just below 361.85, 349.93 and climbing. So this area in reach. In fact, if we close today below 437.13, that's an aggressive down pivot, having tested 464.18, a formation that is 6 months in the making and can contain monthly highs, and below which we can fall back to 361.85. If we were to close today now below 437.13, I think that is the beginning of that move. And if you've yet to sell this market short, as we pushed into the low 460s over the last couple of days, you can sell on weakness with a settlement today below 437.13. And then I think we've got an aggressive sell signal. 402.97 would become, with present volatility, a 3 to 5 day objective. And the 349.93 to 361.85 area, 3 to 5 weeks, I still think is the likelier outcome. So closing below 437.13 is a sell signal. No good reason to be long Tesla if your time horizon is anywhere from 3 to 5 days, where we're anticipating 402.97, to 3 to 5 weeks, where we would anticipate 349.93 and converging actually with the significant 361.85 formation over the next couple of weeks. And that is kind of the big picture. Upside, though, holding above 437.13 does allow repeated testing into Monday, Tuesday of this low to mid 460s resistance. So we could continue to fill in this wedge for the next day or two, and then the market would tip its hand in the respective direction. So if we close below 437.13, be out of your long positions. 3 to 5 week swing traders play the short side, perhaps 3 to 5 week swing traders. And inversely, if we close above 461.18, stay long or get long that 524.11 5 to 8 month objective, then likely realized in as little as 3 to 5 weeks. And this is a significant long-term structure that may contain buying not only through the first quarter of next year, but even well into 26. Day traders can buy 537.13, assuming we open above it. Now, an unchanged open would have us open below it. So we could show weakness right out of the gates. And with present volatility, there is the potential for falling all the way south to 402.97 by the closing bell. But I think the likelier outcome is we fall to 423.24. We could bounce there on an intraday basis. 423.24. This is a former channel top. This is a respectable support area on an intraday basis. But I will go with the sell signal into later October. If we close below 437.13, I would expect 402.97 within 3 to 5 days, and the upper 340s to lower 360s within 3 to 5 weeks.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high-probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.